Hey there, welcome to this quick guide on how to set up autopay for your Discover card. If you're tired of remembering due dates and worrying about late fees, autopay is a game changer. It automatically deducts your payment from your bank account, helping you stay on top of your finances effortlessly. In this video, we'll walk through the steps together, so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First off, why bother with autopay? It's simple. It saves you time, reduces the risk of missed payments, and can even boost your credit score by ensuring payments are always on time. Plus, Discover makes the process straightforward and secure. To get started, make sure you have your Discover card details handy and access to your online account. Step 1. Log into your Discover account through their website or mobile app. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Autopay or Automatic Payments. This is usually found under your Account Settings or Billing tab. Next, click on that Autopay option. You'll be prompted to link a bank account. Select your preferred bank and enter your account details securely. Discover uses encryption to keep your information safe, so don't worry about that. Now, choose how much you want to pay automatically. You can set it to the minimum payment, the full balance, or a custom amount. Then, pick your payment date, ideally a few days before your due date to account for any processing time. Review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Once you're happy, hit Confirm or Activate to set it up. You'll get a confirmation email from Discover, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, you're all set. Autopay will handle your payments moving forward. If you ever need to change or cancel it, you can do so anytime through your account settings. Remember, always ensure you have enough funds in your bank account to avoid any overdraft issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay on top of your money game. See you next time.